Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to get data from the Instagram API, or how to get an Instagram API key by generating an access token. Stick around, it's straightforward. First, go to the Facebook for Developers website. Log in with your Facebook account or sign up for one. Once in, click Create App. If prompted to connect a business portfolio, select I don't want to connect a business portfolio yet and click Next. Choose what your app will do. Since we're grabbing Instagram data, select Other. Then pick Consumer as the app type to access Instagram Basic Display. Click Next. Enter your app's name, a contact email, and if you have one, a business manager account. Fill these out, hit Create App, enter your password, and submit. It takes about a minute. Once your app is created, you'll see a dashboard. Find Instagram Basic Display and click Setup. Click Create New App. Use the same or a new app name and confirm. Now add an Instagram tester. In the User Token Generator section, click Add or Remove Instagram Testers. Search for your Instagram username, select it, and click Add. Log into that Instagram account, go to Profile Settings, find Apps and Websites, and check the Tester Invites tab. Accept the invitation. Back in the Facebook Developers dashboard, go to Instagram Basic Display, scroll to User Token Generator, and click Generate Token. Log into Instagram again if needed, allow permissions, and your access token will appear. Copy it securely. This is your API key for fetching data like user profiles or media. Unique tip: save your access token in a secure password manager to avoid losing it, as you'll need it for API calls. To fetch data, use the token in a GET request. For example, to get user info, use this URL: https://graph.instagram.com/me. Fields ideal, username, and access_token equals your token. Replace your token with your access token. If it's not working, try these. Ensure your Instagram account is public, as private accounts limit API access. If the token doesn't generate, recheck your tester invite was accepted. If API calls fail, verify your token hasn't expired. Short-lived ones last an hour, long-lived ones up to 60 days. That's it, guys.